Another peaceful day. I'm gonna check the mail. Mail time. Come on. Come on, baby. Close the door. Alright. Grave meeting. Huh? Diamond sword? I'm lucky. Oops. Dear Lord Aiden, this is a very important meeting at the grave. Please get there as soon as you can. King of Epicness. The king. And here is a diamond sword. You will need it. Thank you for reading this. Alright, so I'm gonna take a nap. Alright. Right. Looks like I gotta go to the grave now. Grave, where's the grave? I think I'll chat with the, what's he called again? The old trapped guardian. Hey, Dad. Oh, I got my diamond sword. Wow. Wee, jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Alright, King, I got your message. What did you build that sword thingy? Yes. King's note, come down. Yeah. If you're reading this, look. Whoa. Right? This. If you ever want to see your king again, then come down to the grave. Hero